Hi everybody, welcome to the Cookbook Kitchen. My name is Carol, and in today's recipe, we are going to try out a recipe. In today's video, we are going to try out a recipe from Creative in My Kitchen website, and we'll try strawberry salsa. That's what we'll try and make today. I'll put a link in the description for this exact recipe. The website is Creative in My Kitchen, and we are going to try out a recipe titled the strawberry salsa. Let me see. I don't know if I'll be able to show you a nice photo. Nice photo of it. I don't know if it will come out well. Not come out well. I don't know if you'll be able to see it well. But let me try and show you the recipe for today. Yeah, that's the recipe for today. So we'll try and make the strawberry salsa, and it's a very simple, quick recipe. Here we are not wasting time today, straight to the point. So guys, if you love salsa and you can't eat tomatoes, try out this particular recipe. It's a good alternative for people who love salsa but they can't eat tomatoes, or you just want to try something new. You're tired of tomato salsa. What else is in the market? What else is in the market is the strawberry salsa. So welcome to today's video. Let's see what we are working with so that we can continue. So today we are working with very simple ingredients that you just have in your pantry. I have some cilantro, I have some strawberries, I have some lime, some onion, some salt, some black pepper, and some olive oil. So I'm going to chop the strawberries, the onion, and the cilantro. Then we mix everything in one bowl. It's a very simple recipe, guys. So the next thing we're going to do, we are going to mix all our ingredients in this one bowl. And then we season to taste. Lime juice. Put some olive oil, some black pepper, then salt bay. I'm going to put it in the fridge for 15 to 30 minutes to allow all the flavors to come together. Then we shall be back. The taste looks very nice. So let me taste, guys, so that I can give you my verdict. Number one, the not the oil. The onion smell is very intense, very very intense. Or even in my eyes. Wow. Let me taste. Hii tutaita kachumbari ya strawberry. I'm not a fan of kachumbari, but hii kidogo ni ya strawberry iko aje. Imemoka kama ni ya kubox balls. I love the taste of the lime. I'm not a fan of uncooked onions, but the lime, the combination of the lime and the strawberries just make the taste of onions bearable. I'm not a fan. I won't lie to you guys. I'm not a fan of uncooked onions. But this one's, they're really, this is something I can eat. This is really good. It's simple, it's quick, it's easy, and it's so nice. It's really, really, it's really nice. So guys, try out this particular recipe. I'll put a link in the description below for the website where you'll get this particular recipe. Try it out and let me know in the comment section what you think about it. I think when you add avocado in this, it will be wow. I think I should have bought an avocado and put it inside. So next time I will do that. That's it for today, guys. Bye bye and God bless.